Hello YouTube, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I want to show you a feature that is available in the Protege GX platform, actually in WX as well. It's called the Qualify Output for Schedules. Okay, so I mean, you can think of a lot of applications for this feature. In today's example, I'm going to use a virtual output to cancel the unlock schedule on the front door here on my training kit. But you could use this to, let's say lock doors when arming areas. There's several applications, for this feature. One of them that is very common is the ability of controlling a door type with schedules. Let's say you want the system, when the system is armed, the door is on card and pin, and then when the system is disarmed, it's on card or pin, and things like that, okay? In this example, I'm going to show you the qualify output feature of a schedule for controlling the status of the schedule that is unlocking this door here, okay? So let's have a look at how we can program this. So from the home page, I go to Sites and Schedules, all right? So you see here we have the main entrance unlock schedule, okay? So what I did is I took one of my virtual outputs and I labeled it this way. So basically I called it the front door schedule cancel output. Okay, so here under the options tab we have two options. Validate the schedule, so basically make it valid when the output is on, or simply qualify it when the output is off. So in this example, I activate the output to cancel the schedule, okay, and then when I deactivate the output, the schedule will become valid again, okay? Basically, this is how I wanted to demonstrate it, okay? So you see right now, the reader is green, system is unlocking the door on schedule, okay? So again, you need one output. In this case, I'm controlling the output from a status page, but you could have the output follow an input, or an output follow the armed status of an area, and again, all sorts of applications like that. So I want to go to monitoring, status page view. I select my page with events and output so you can actually see what's going on. Okay, so you see, door is unlocked, output is off. If I activate the output, almost instantly, my door is now locked. Okay. Same thing will happen on the other way. If I deactivate the output, the door goes back on schedule. Okay, so this could be a button or a floor plan icon or a status page output that, let's say, a receptionist can use to cancel the schedule because she's going for lunch. All right, and when she's back from lunch, she can re-enable the schedule by turning the output off. Okay, again, this is a very useful feature. A lot of clients are using it, and I want to show you how it's being used. Okay, I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or comments, please send them down below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to follow our channel, because we try to post several videos a week, and we want as much followers as we can to spread the good words about Inaxsys doing those videos for you, our YouTubers fan base. Okay, so go to Inaxsys.com. We can reach the tech support and the sales team from there. Okay, again, thanks for watching. Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys.